Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month, no prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is voiceover work. From commercials to audiobooks, there's a growing demand for talented voices. If you have a clear and engaging voice, this skill is perfect for you. Start by practicing your delivery and investing in a good microphone. Many clients pay $50 to $300 per project, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, create a demo reel and showcase your work on platforms like voices.com or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to exciting opportunities in the media industry. Next is resume writing. With so many people looking for jobs, a well-crafted resume can make all the difference. If you're good at writing and organizing information, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of resume formatting and keyword optimization. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per resume, depending on your experience. To stand out, focus on creating clean, professional designs that align with your client's branding. You can find work on platforms like LinkedIn or Upwork. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a steady income stream. Third is data visualization. Businesses rely on data to make decisions, but raw numbers can be hard to understand. As a data visualization expert, you'll turn complex data into easy-to-read charts, graphs, and infographics. Start by learning tools like Tableau or Microsoft Power BI. Many companies pay $30 to $150 per hour for data visualization services, depending on the complexity of the project. To stand out, focus on storytelling and design principles. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to businesses directly. With practice, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the tech and business world. Fourth is invitation design. From weddings to corporate events, beautifully designed invitations are always in demand. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per design, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating unique and personalized designs. You can sell your services on platforms like Etsy or by networking with event planners. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Finally, let's talk about social media management. Businesses need experts to manage their social media accounts and grow their online presence. If you enjoy creating content and engaging with audiences, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Many businesses pay $25 to $100 per hour for social media management services, depending on the scope of the project. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' goals and delivering measurable results. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose voiceover work, resume writing, data visualization, invitation design, or social media management, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.